Alright guys, so I figured I would do a really cold start of the Goodman in the snow. This is probably gonna go really well or very bad because there's snow on all of the blades. So right when I turn this on, I'm gonna have to turn it back off. I think it's snowing again. Is it really snowing again? Well, that's just the trees. Or it's melting as well. So I'm going to turn it on really fast. This is probably going to be on for maybe a little less than 10 seconds. Oh god, I'm going to have to stand back here. I'm going to plug in the disconnect. Holy shit. I'm scared. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. There it goes. It's running. I'm throwing out some cold air. That didn't sound happy. Alright, I'm going to turn it off now. Sounds like it's defrosting. That's that for you.